guys, so I thought I'll bring you along and show you what I'm working on here in my home. Okay, so this wallpaper, you guys may have remembered from Germany. Yes, this was in my eating area in Germany, right? So Dornell took it down and he rolled it up and we put it in my luggage. So I've been thinking about it for the last couple of days on how to put it back in my home here. I really, really like it, and I have just enough. If you guys remember this little spot here in my kitchen, I really haven't really did a lot. You guys may see these in my background. We brung these cabinets. That's what we're gonna add in here for extra storage. So of course I have to get a countertop, but this is what we are going to do with this big massive open space right here. Is add cabinets, right? So I've already started using, like, I'm gonna put like the dog food and everything else. Well, let me get this stuff up. So in here I'm gonna put like the dog food and the extra storage. Over here, since we go to Sam's Club, this is where we've been storing the coffee pods, extra soap, paper towels. So of course we only were able to get these small ones home because we hadn't had a big enough vehicle and all that stuff. So we're gonna go back and get a few more cabinets, and that's what's gonna go in this open breakfast nook. I don't know if it's a breakfast nook or just extra big old space. All right, so this is what I'm working on. I went to the Dollar Tree this morning because I came up with this idea. I'm currently putting poster board up on the wall, and I'm gonna glue the wallpaper to the poster board so I won't damage their walls. Like in Germany, that was too much trying to get the extra glue off. So right here, I'm just adding this tape just to smooth it out. It was perfect, even up, but right here, I don't want that seam under the wallpaper, so the tape is actually making it smooth, smooth consistency. That's what I'm doing. And then I'm going to get up there and finish adding the poster board, and then I'm going to glue or figure out how to adhere this here. So right now I'm just getting random stuff. I have like random paint cans and candles, anything heavy, just trying to smooth out the paper a little bit. This is what I'm working on right now. So I don't have my tripod. It's in my household goods, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish putting up the poster board. I ended up buying like 19 of them. I may not need them all, but I'm gonna go ahead and put them up. I'm only putting 1 or 2 nails in a poster board because I don't want 1,000 nail heads, and then if I need to go back and like fill in a few, I will. But it seems to be working with just 2. So I got 1 here, 1 at the top, and then adding a little extra little tape is actually another way to reinforce it. The only reason this is working is because I have a wall here, and you won't see the side of the poster board, and I have a wall here. So I'm gonna get up there. You can see where that's gouging out. That just needs a piece of tape, and we should be ready to glue the wallpaper down. Now we've added particle board. And now
screws, bro. There's nails too.
Okay, well, we added this section in this cabinet, and now we have this one. You know, something else gonna go right here, but right now we have this space here. He was trying to nail it in, but the nails are bending. So we gotta go to plan B to secure this down, but it's coming along. This is still on the fence about the wallpaper here. Give it a few more days and let's see, but it may come down. But this is how it's looking. Now extra cabinets, I've already started adding in candles and decor. I'm gonna organize it down here, but I just put my stuff here for now, my placemats. More storage. Oh, and this is the other piece of board.
You have a duster stuff? Oh, it probably come up. little hangover, but you don't have much.
You guys, it turned out so good. Look at it. Of course, it's not perfect, but for what it's going to be used for, it's perfect. These walls are kind of off. You see how the wood is? So that kind of made it difficult laying this towel down. So here and there you may find a gap larger than most or others, but either way, nobody is really impressed about that. I'm not, at least. So this is what it is. Right here is going to be a wine freezer. It's the next thing, not wine cooler, wine refrigerator, beverage refrigerator. So I'm on a hunt, and I'm probably gonna have a little bit of space left, which would be perfect for something like this. These little stools, we can add it over here for more seating. Somebody can have breakfast, all of that over here, but definitely my little wine station here. I'm on the fence again about these. I'm gonna leave it until I get my household goods in, and then I'll determine if I want to leave it, because it's not perfect because it was already used with wallpaper and then it's on poster board. So I think if I put a mirror or two up here, it will camouflage some of the imperfections, but nonetheless it can come down. There's nothing but a few screws up in here. So I'm 50-50 on it right now, but for now let me step back and show you everything, how it's looking. And then we just need to finish off here on the bottom of the cabinets. We need to put some stuff at the bottom just to close it off. Where we bought the cabinets, they didn't have them anymore. They didn't sell it anymore. But this little nook, this is what we've been working on. So little by little, we've been working by, first we had this cabinet and this cabinet, and we finally have our vehicle here, so we were able to put this in our car. I was thinking about getting one more of this sides and putting it here, and then having a wine cooler right here, but I may just leave it open so I can store like our extra water or anything large that won't necessarily fit in here. So I may just leave it like that and then put a few stools or so over here. I don't know, but I will bring you updates. I just wanted to show what we've been working on the last few days, or 2 days or so. So it looks good. I love it. So more storage for all the stuff that can't fit over here in our pantry. We have storage here, and then these are like drawers I need to get ready, start organizing now that I have the top on here that we just got today. And then, you know, down here have the extra coffee and all that I need to go ahead and organize now. But it turned out good. All right, so hopefully, you know, if you guys have a crazy little nook and you need more storage, do what I just did, created a little extra storage. So there you go. Thank you guys for watching, hanging out, rocking out with us. I hope you guys enjoyed. Look at this. These are so pretty though. These what are these? Towel. These stainless steel. These are stainless steel peel and stick towel. So worth it. Yeah, a little pricey, but very much worth it. Yes, I'm so happy I have this. Anyways, talk to you guys very soon. Okay, you guys, let me just share some of the stuff I did. This is all I have around my house, so I went on and just put a few items out. Of course, since my wine cooler or wine fridge will be in this spot, I felt like this would be cute to have this tray with a few wine bottles. These were from Europe the first time we were there, so I just put them on that little tray. And since it's fall, I just had that here. This stuff is not gonna stay. I just wanted to share how I could possibly decorate. Look at what I did to the little glam pumpkin I just made. I added the stem and that curly thing. You know what this is? Let me show you. This little burlap thing, leaf from the Dollar Tree. I took it and I just put a little curly cube there. And then this is an old ornament that it was in one of our little shipment boxes. And so I just made a little stem. So it's like a 3D, let me I don't know if it's gonna pick up, but it's lifted up and it has leaves. So that's what I did to my little glam pumpkin after I recorded to show how I made it. And then I just added a few more rhinestones, just a few. I only did like 2 or 3 of them. Then I put the little crystal candlestick. So here you go. This is just an idea of what I would do. Isn't that cute? I think it's so cute. Okay. I removed some stuff. I think it looks better. Less is more. So I just kept the wine, the leaf, this big huge candle, and there you go. I may add this back on there, but I think the little flowers are doing too much. So there go my little fall itch. That's all I have for fall right now. Bye.
So I added some shelf liner. Shelf liner. Focus on the shelf liner. Added some shelf liner to the base of the cabinets so it won't look like particle board. So I added some black liner vinyl to the bottom of the cabinets. So I want to show the particle board speckles. So it'll blend better on the bottom.
Okay, this is how the section looks without the wallpaper. What you guys think? Should we put, if not that specific wallpaper, should we put something back in this area or what? Let me know. It looks like it's missing something, like it's incomplete now that the wallpaper is down.
I came up with this design to put cabinets in this area and to
you can't even say it with a straight face because you
some pick and steel, peel and stick mosaic tile so that our particle board top will just look like a regular countertop that you purchase from the store. So I DIY these cabinets. I found some leftover wood.
Oh my god.
At this it was an abandoned house. They was building it. Then when I got the cabinets, and then we went and I built this particle board. I found an old tree, cut that one down, and then I found some mosaic tiles that's actually made out of old sheet metal that I chopped up.
Ooh, okay. I'm not gonna continue to let this fantasy of yours.
And I stained it with a little mahogany stains, but I did a DIY, so I just basically had some vinegar, some Coca-Cola, and some
say bye, Dornell.
Brown paint.
Say bye, Dornell.
And I stained it.
Say bye, Dornell.
Nope.
Say bye.
Oh, I hope y'all liked when I made that pumpkin the other day. Hope y'all enjoyed my video that I made my glam pumpkin.
Okay. You did that?
Uh-huh.
You did this?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. What else did you do? You made these too?
Mm-hmm.
Everything?
Yep.
And these candlesticks?
Yep.
Bye, Dornell. I'm out of here.